today we're really going to deep dive in why processes and optimizations is the key to seamless scaling between 10 million to 20 million and beyond. So every $10 million of revenue growth that you are anticipating, you got to think that you might need to step back and really relook at your process efficiencies, because you will have to add potentially additional systems. You will potentially have to add additional team members or resources in order for you to support your scaling business. The first question that always comes to mind, why is the same strategies that got me here or got you guys here for the 10 million are not working once we're starting to scale beyond 20 million and beyond? Well, part of the things what's happening is when you're scaling to 10 million, it often happens through hustle, smart merchandising, and smart branding. But going from 10 million to 20 million, that becomes an operational complexity where it kicks in. So what's really happening here, we're seeing that the SKUs, more SKUs, suppliers, and more sales channels are exponentially bringing complexity in operations. Teams operate in silos often. Right around that timing, we kind of started to unveil, because as you were developing, you were probably developing department by department and not necessarily connecting the dots. And so what's happening is that you have teams, from product development, sourcing, inventory, and marketing, and they're all not fully aligned, which is very difficult for then be able to get ourselves to the next 20 million without overstraining the teams and resources and be able to do it efficiently. You also are thinking about layering the new tools and systems, but if the processes aren't there defined first, the tech solutions will only amplify inefficiencies. This is probably one of the biggest common pitfall that we're seeing among majority of our clients who come in with system implementations that are failing or are not going as smoothly, is that they decided that they need a system. They're going into a discovery and they implementing the system right away after the discovery, and then define the system that they need without really defining what their processes are from end to end and actually optimizing them first. There's a really big misperception that systems will solve the operational problems. Well, in reality, it actually will just amplify the operational problems and efficiencies if they already exist in your process. So unless you have your optimized process, do not start implementing a new system.